Did you know? Some traders in Nigeria have to wait up to 9 days just to withdraw a small profit, even though their trading is completely legal and clearly profitable. It sounds unbelievable, but this is still happening in 2025. And the cause comes from one seemingly harmless mistake: choosing the wrong broker. A single small decision during registration, picking the wrong platform, withdrawal method, or server region can lock you out of your own money for days. In today's video, I'll share with you the top 5 Forex brokers for Nigerian traders in 2025. Not based on advertising, but on actual withdrawal speed, credibility, local support, and the ability to serve traders in Africa and worldwide. Whether you're just starting out with only 10,000 Naira or trading accounts worth hundreds of millions, this is still a video you shouldn't miss. Because choosing the right broker doesn't just make your trading more effective, it protects your profits. Let's be honest, when we first start out, most of us get attracted by numbers: 0.0 pip spreads, 1 to 1,000 leverage, 50% bonuses. But what happens next? You can't withdraw your money. Support doesn't respond. Your account gets locked without explanation. The problem isn't your trading knowledge. The problem is misplaced trust. A good Forex broker for Nigerian traders in 2025 needs more than low fees. They must provide same-day withdrawals, NGN support without unnecessary currency conversions, presence in Africa or dedicated local support, regulation by trusted authorities, stable platforms, no slippage, secure data, and easy mobile access. Now, let's explore the 5 standout names. 1. Exness. Instant withdrawals, ultra-low spreads. Exness remains the top choice for Nigerian traders in 2025. With withdrawals in USDT or NGN within minutes, plus highly competitive spreads and swap-free options for certain accounts. Pros: withdraw to Nigerian accounts in 3 to 5 minutes after verification, 0.0 pip spreads on raw accounts, no hidden fees, low minimum deposit, many payment options. Sent accounts for beginners to test strategies with low risk. If you value speed and transparency, Exness is worth a try. 2. FXTM. Strong local support, Naira accounts. What sets FXTM apart is its true presence in Nigeria, with offices, local staff, Nigerian language materials, and the ability to open accounts directly in Nigerian Naira. Pros: withdraw through local banks within 24 hours. Supports fintechs like Flutterwave, WebPay. Great for beginners. Training, webinars, local Telegram support, demo accounts, and small competitions to practice trading. One of the best options if you want to start without worrying about language barriers or slow support. 3. Okta. Attractive bonuses, high leverage, user-friendly. With a minimum deposit of only about 3,600 Naira, Okta is very accessible for beginners. Add 50% bonuses or swap-free options on some pairs, and it's no surprise it attracts younger traders. Cons to note: withdraw in fiat instead of crypto to avoid delays. ID verification required for withdrawals above $100. Interface is simple, but may feel limited for advanced traders. If you want to start, test strategies, or practice trading, Okta is a solid option. 4th, IC Markets. True ECN spreads, ideal for pros. IC Markets is the go-to for many full-time traders in Europe and Asia. While it doesn't have offices in Nigeria, its global support is excellent. Strengths: very low spreads, lightning-fast execution, multiple platforms, MT4, MT5, C-Trader. Great for EAs, copy trading, scalping free VPS for high-volume accounts. Weakness: bank transfer withdrawals can take 2 to 3 days. If you already have experience, IC Markets is an excellent upgrade. 5. AvaTrade. Fixed spreads, multiple platforms, strong regulation. AvaTrade is one of the few brokers offering fixed spreads, perfect for those who hate surprises, especially during high volatility. Pros: proprietary platform, mobile app, plus MT4/MT5. Support withdrawals to Nigeria in 1 to 2 business days. Regulated by multiple authorities: ASIC, FSA, FSCA, etc. Built-in learning programs and trading strategies in the app, a balanced choice between reliability and stable trading experience. So, which broker is right for you? If you're new, try FXTM or Okta. If you're a frequent trader, Exness or IC Markets fit better. If you value stability and clear costs, AvaTrade is worth trying. But no matter which you choose, remember this: don't chase bonuses. Choose stability and fast withdrawals. All demo and live links are in the description. You can test and see for yourself. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with anyone who's unsure about brokers. And don't forget to answer this: which broker are you using? Are your withdrawals fast? Any issues? Comment below so everyone can learn. See you in the next video.